Baby, what's going on? Coming to get some snacks? You need some treats? Huh? You need some treats over here? What's going on, baby? Where are you going? Come on over here. Let me see you. I ain't got nothing for you. I'm sorry. I don't have any mealworms or anything. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Come here. So we're just gonna replace this up to here. Canvas there. New transition case coil right on top of the furnace here. And I just measured off of my fresh air intake for my line set hole. Pop that, set the AC, get Corey soldering outside, and I'll come back in here and we'll put this back together. Or maybe he'll have this done by the time I get the AC set. Guess we'll find out. Chickens everywhere around here, just roaming around, just like back in the early days on Brookview Road. Where you going, baby? We set the AC out beyond the drip line of the roof here. Don't usually do that, but we got plenty of room here, so. Okay, so this panel was full here, so we just put in one of these mini breakers that turns one slot into two. We're going to do one more of them. Right on top of that, and then we'll have space for a double pull 15 amp for our air conditioner. He's all soldered in out here. It's beautiful. Oh, I never brought a battery. We're going to finish drilling our electrical hole here and get the disconnect mounted. Run that wire so Corey can wrap up out here. Hey, we just got to run this line set down. Probably going to try and get behind the chimney there. Hug the coil. Oh, no, I'll probably come over this way and just follow that corner down right there. There's no way we're getting behind that chimney and getting over to the line. So, and then look at this mess. No bottom in this furnace. Dust, all kinds of debris in here. Should try and get this vacuumed out, and then some of them caught just to the floor. I wanted to level this furnace out because it looks like it's pitched a little bit to the right. When I throw my level on the coil, it's actually not that bad. So rather than trying to level that and then patch this hole down here, I think we'll just leave it kitty wampus and caulk it to the floor. going.
Yep.
We got our arrow on the filter pointed at the coil, and wrap the big and the little. The big one mainly to keep the insulation from starting on fire. The little one we're protecting the expansion valve in there. Three-quarter inch line set and a 5/8 line sticking out of the coil, so we just stick a regular three-quarter inch. Rags. The steam comes off them rags. Okay, so we got our new 15 amp breaker for the AC and 4 mini things that we did to free up those 2 slots. So we turned 4 into 2 and freed up 2 for that. Fancy transition, got rid of that mess that we had to begin with. Looks pretty decent. Only thing I don't like is that 20-inch filter. Okay, we got her all dialed in. Thumb gummed up. It's looking good. Four little Gregory's in the basket this morning. Pretty cool. You guys all right? Are you gonna make it? You didn't drown in there, did ya? How'd you hold your breath that long? You guys are awful cute. Awful cute.
What was that?
They're in the skimmer. You guys okay? Sleepy? And two of them are not waking up. Those are the little guys. Oh, Tommy. Tommy, you see the turtles, Tom? Don't get any ideas. What's these two little guys gonna do? Kids are trying to escape.